Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change Crunchyroll username. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Crunchyroll and this is how the homepage looks like. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to accounts. And then once you're here in accounts, you're going to find all of the settings related to your account on Crunchyroll, like membership plan from here. You can subscribe to a premium subscription. There's also notifications, my membership card. You can also change your email, your password, or redeem a promo code. As you can see guys, right here, there is no option for changing your username on Crunchyroll. If you click on change email, you will only be able to change your email by resending a verification link. You can also change your password. You need to type your current password and then your new password right here and click on change password. But there is no option to change your username. If you go to need help, for example, right here in the search, I'm gonna search for changing username. As you can see guys, right here I found how do I change my username. I click on it, and as you can see guys, if you already have a username set and you want to change it for a new one, you'll need to submit a request to our support team using this link. Select accounts, login, and username change on the problem type option. So basically guys, the only way to change your username is by submitting a request to a Crunchyroll support team. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.